You made me join. I didn't wanna, but
All right, welcome back, guys. We do have a tornado warning with a possible CC drop on it. Let me just check. Uh, that might be it. Where's the velocity couplet? Okay, I hate this. How close these storms are to this radar. Why did it have to be so close? This is actually annoying.
yeah, Jesus, bruh, they're both right next to each other. Oh man, last night was already crazy enough. Why do we keep having this?
Wait till Monday when we had that 30% chance already.
Wait till Tuesday when I get a risk
You're not in that risk.
for Tuesday.
You're not under a slight.
Yes, I am.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
No, you're not. Part of your county is, but you're not.
Yeah, I'm in that part today
um,
because look, I'm in a different room.
yeah, just because you're in a different room doesn't mean anything. All right, now let's be logical. All right. All right. So we do have an enhanced risk of severe weather tonight across the entirety of this area in Texas, including San Angelo. So, let me just pull up the SPC, guys, real quick. Yeah, so we do have a enhanced risk. Um, that we are continuing to watch how it evolves. But yeah, let's continue to watch this thing as it starts to develop. Not sure if we have a CC yet, but we will continue to watch to make sure we don't get one. And if we do, we will be here to cover it. So yeah, I need. Sorry, guys. So we do have a tornado warning here. We're in Texas, south of San Angelo. So if you're on the south side of San Angelo, be careful. So yeah, we definitely have a lot of severe weather over the next few hours. Um, Hmm. so we do not have a observed yet, but I am seeing reports of a possible tornado on the ground. Um, we do also have some storms up here, all the way up here into Nebraska. There's a possible area of active rotation right here. Um, west of Kearney. Let's see if that shows up on. Yeah, it does show up a bit on a different radar. So it's what south of North Platte. Mm. Yeah, so we do have some possible rotation there from this little storm. Let's head towards Maywood, eventually Lexington and Kearney. Keep an eye on that. Do have a watch up here for St. Paul, Grand Isle, Hastings, Lexington, McCook, Broken Bow. So yeah, we have watches from all the way up here into Nebraska through Colorado, New Mexico, Texas, Oklahoma, Kansas. So we have many states in the ring of possible destruction. So yeah, sorry guys if you hear me cough. My allergies are kind of bad. So FYI on that one. Mhm. So still have we're having a lot of dust devils today, and gustinados because they're just picking up the dust and spinning it around, so it looks like a tornado, but it's actually not. So it's kind of confusing. Yeah, you know. Yeah, yeah. I need your help with the stream, Mr. Top Fan.
Okay.
I'm streaming, so you'll have to help me because you're the only one online.
Am I actually?
Yeah, I mean everyone. Some people are online, but they're not. But they can't call. If you know what I mean. You're the only one who can actually call.
Yeah, I understand.
So stay off mute. Thank you. Unless you're getting to your room.
Yeah, I was getting to my room.
Oh yeah, so we have an outbreak of dust devils apparently now. We're having an outbreak of major dust devils. Also, we have a storm headed towards the town of Iran, Texas, and that has 70-mile-per-hour winds and 2.5-inch hail. So heads up if you're in that little town. Um, there's a lot of wind and hail with these storms. The storm that Vince is on has 2.75-inch hail and 70-mile-per-hour winds. Kinda in the same area actually that we covered yesterday. Devin and I covered yesterday, where we had a
Oh, you and Devin. Okay. I see how it is. Don't include me. Yeah.
no. Yesterday you weren't online.
Proof?
Your thing was a do not. Your thing was not online. It said offline.
Weird. I was online.
Oh, it said you were offline.
I
But
gotta fix that.
Devin and I, Devin was actually appropriate, so it worked out. But
I'm raging right now.
you don't have to. So we do have a supercell composite of 20, 20 in this area, which is very favorable for strong storms with lots of hail. And we do have an STP of 4 to 5 in parts of Texas. So
Is that a significant tornado parameter?
oh my god, violent tornado parameters off the charts.
It says. Is it? I forgot what I said. My bad.
It's like off the charts, off the charts. It's like over 10.
Proof?
Alright, I'll send you a screenshot.
Bet. I won't look at it.
Sure. Well then there's your proof. That little dot.
I'm deleting that proof instantly.
That's your fault. But
Yeah, it is.
so yeah, we do still have significant severe weather possible tonight as we continue into overnight hours. We still have an enhanced risk, which means still have to be very weather aware. Only a 5% tornado threat, but we do have a 15% hatched wind and a 30% hatched hail.
You know what? This kind of acts like a 10% hatch risk because NWS did have on tornado watch a couple strong tornadoes possible. So it does act like it is 10% hatch.
And then we have next week. Also, I don't want unfortunately mentioning it again, but we have more snow possible for the California mountains, Utah mountains, parts of northeast Nevada, Oregon. So we have a whole area of possible snow.
Did
Which,
I hear that right? Did you just say snow?
yeah, in
Or am I
parts
going crazy?
no, you heard me right. In California, Nevada, and Utah and Oregon.
Crazy.
I didn't want to mention it again, but apparently we're doing this again.
Again.
We still have a watch in effect from Alpine to Fort Stockton to Midland, all the way up here into Broken Bow, St. Paul, Grand Isle, Goodland, Kansas, Dodge City, down to Clayton, New Mexico, Guymon, Oklahoma, Perryton, Texas. Yeah, we have a lot of areas under the gun.
Until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
Jay, can you please speak in English? Por favor, habla en inglés. Gracias.
You're telling me to speak in English, but yet here you are speaking a different language.
Well, maybe he doesn't know English, and I'm just telling him in Spanish.
I don't know Spanish.
Well, I do, so I can easily.
I only know German. Yeah,
Well,
you're in trouble there.
Yesterday we did have a severe thunderstorm warning in Puerto Rico, which is very rare. So.
Did we actually?
Yeah, we had a severe thunderstorm warning in Puerto Rico yesterday.
Did it have a tornado possible tag on it? Or what was it warned for?
It was 60-mile-per-hour winds and less than 7.75 inch size hail.
Crazy.
I know, it's not rare. It's not too often that we see tornado. Not too often that we see severe thunderstorm warnings in Puerto Rico.
Yeah.
So yeah, we're watching weather from Texas all the way up there to Nebraska and back down. So, what are your thoughts on this upcoming week, Mr. Top Fan? Or have you not really looked into it? Mr. Top Fan. Mr. Top Fan. You're not. Are you talking? Hello?
Hello, I had to fix my mic. Oh my gosh. So weird.
Okay, buddy.
And I'm talking from my phone, so I had no idea what happened.
So what are your thoughts on next week for severe weather?
I haven't checked.
I knew you haven't. I just had a premonition that you wouldn't have checked.
Okay. You wouldn't check either.
I did it already.
Proof?
Yeah, I was checking
Yeah,
all
exactly.
today.
No proof. No proof. Get out.
You can literally text Jaden.
Jaden would never lie to me. You say See, Jaden would never lie to me.
Because he would tell the truth. Because we were going over it actually today.
What this for?
Alright, so if you're watching the stream, we're continuing to monitor these severe storms as they move through Texas, Oklahoma, um, Kansas, Nebraska, and Colorado for possibility of being severe, even just a strong thunderstorm. So yeah,
I have reasons to believe that our main rotation that was warned for has died.
yeah. I mean, it's very brief. Gustnadoes we've had a lot of today, so as expected.
Except for that large tornado that we had, of course. The heck is my arm watching? I don't know, but I don't care.
And why were you wondering? If you don't care.
I'm just still in shock.
What are you still in shock of?
How that strong tornado that almost hit Robert Lee did a U-turn and then instantly died. But how strong it was too, I'm just still in shock.
But that tends to happen where they rapidly intensify and then kill themselves.
Well, it's when they're doing a U-turn though. I mean, I can see why, because U-turn just killed it.
We don't talk about Greensburg, Kansas in here.
Was cooking in Greensburg, Kansas.
No. We don't talk about how that did a full Uing and still caused F5 damage.
Did it actually do you? Wow, that's crazy.
You can look it up on the path the path. It literally did a full U-turn.
Let's see. Greensburg. I don't know how to spell that. Yes, I do.
Green, Berg.
Greenburg, Kansas,
It's one of the easiest
tornado.
towns you could spell.
No, that's better, Rick. I want to type in path. Path. I mean, it did weaken when it did that U-turn.
Yeah. But I mean, it was still caused
And then
F5 damage. So. But yeah.
I mean, but just imagine how you don't know how long that tornado would have went if it didn't do that U-turn.
And it could have kept going and hit the town of San Angelo, the city of San Angelo. It'd be a disaster.
It could, yeah, it could have. It had the chance, but then it just decided to U-turn and kill itself.
Which is good. We don't want tornadoes going to majorly populated areas.
All tornado warnings have been allowed to expire.
No, we still have a tornado warning in effect.
No, mine shows 0. They just canceled that tornado warning for a while.
Mine just updated.
Mine's faster, get better.
Alright, that's weather. Tomorrow we also have an enhanced risk for southeastern New Mexico and parts of Texas, including Midland and Odessa, with a 10% enhanced risk, a very tiny one, which means they're pretty confident in one spot. I also just realized
They won't let me mute.
They also put Mexico in to the risks. Whatever. Alright, so Yeah, so if you're just tuning in, um, so if you want to, you can like the stream. We're not forcing you to, but it would definitely help out with spreading the word on this severe weather day, especially if you have friends and family from Nebraska through eastern Colorado, there's one county in New Mexico, there's part of Texas, including like even over to San Antonio, DFW, anywhere in that circle. If you have friends and family in this area, just tell them to come watch.
I just want to point out that we might want to monitor that area of rotation that is southwest of Eden. It's trying to ramp up again. Might get a tornado warning here soon if it continues to ramping up.
Oh yeah, it could definitely possibly do something if it continues to ramp up. I'm not be surprised if any minute now we get a downstream watch to be issued over to the pretty much over to the I-35 corridor, like Counties Point west of I-35 there in Texas. So, like including Fredericksburg, Plano, San Antonio, and Austin. You guys are toughies. Maybe a watch for you guys, depending on how the storms in northern Mexico over here do. You guys might get a watch. No, we have large storms there in northern Mexico, Mr. Toffan. You see that?
I was just about to tell you that.
Stay off mute.
No, I would not.
Why? Just DM me why.
Cause me say so.
It's easier if you stay off mute, because then I have to wait for you to unmute. I would not be surprised if you get a massive skill discussion coming out here soon, saying that the downstream watch will be likely. New severe thunderstorm warning in southern Kansas. This does not include any towns, so just heads up if you're near Johnson. Hi, Storm Chaser WX and WS. Por favor,
Hi,
hablas
Storm
en
Chase
inglés.
or whatever your name was.
What?
I said to hi, Storm Chaser, whoever he was.
Yeah. Jay, por favor, hablas en inglés. Gracias.
What?
I just spoke Spanish, okay? I know, I'm just telling the person to speak in English. I just said, por favor, which means please. Hablas, which means speak. Which means in. Inglés. English. I know you don't understand Spanish, but so leave it up to me.
Question in your chat.
Yeah, no, there was somebody trying to speak in Spanish in our chat, so I just told them in Spanish to speak in English. Yeah, so these storms in Mexico definitely look like massive hailstorms. These things, if you're in the path of this, you need to be on alert. So that includes.
Oh no! No!
What? What?
Dang, I'm gonna give you credit. Your stream's not delayed for once.
Oh, okay. Hmm. Okay. Like that important that you have to interrupt me. But okay. Yeah, I know it's not delayed because I haven't gotten a notification. But alright, you can say what you want. Alright, so we do
Alright.
have
You
a severe thunderstorm warning here. Large severe thunderstorm warning up here in northwestern Kansas for pretty much the entirety of where St. Francis is. So if you see me zooming in on St. Francis, I'm going to try to find a county name, usually in the county seat, since this is most likely the county seat, unless this is not. But Cheyenne County,
I
Kansas.
just want to bring you back. This is like an urgent update. I just want to bring you back to where that tornado warning was south of Walls, Texas. The rotation's definitely trying to ramp back up. I'm not sure if that CC drop doesn't align with anything though, but could be monitored with a possible new tornado warning.
Yeah, alright, let me put a cone on that thing. How fast is it moving? Let me see.
It says moving at 15 miles per hour, southeast of 15 miles per hour.
15? Yeah, wow,
Yeah.
that's slow. Okay. So if you do 15 miles per hour, 1.5, it will hit you guys in Menard in 127 minutes about. So you guys have some time. But if you are in the town of Menard, heads up. You guys are downstream from this. That's the county seat of this county, whatever this county name is. Which I'm actually going to find out. Because I'm going to look at the county seat.
Yeah, just got tornado warned.
So I'll have to wait till my radar updates.
Yep, so
Menard
tornado
County.
warning in effect for, I'm not gonna even try to pronounce that, Tom Green, Menard, and Concho County in Texas.
Uh, Silicher? Silicher? Salitre County in Texas, Tom Green, Menard, and Concho counties. So get
How
underground now.
fast is it moving? 30 miles per hour now.
So it's sped up. Okay, let me just try putting another cone on it.
And that rotation did die a little bit.
So 30 now. So it'll be in Menard in just over an hour. About.
And I do see that area of rotation southwest of Eden is picking up a bit as well. That might try to spin up.
Yes, I would not be surprised if we get a new tornado warning for that just in case. And that tornado warning would most likely include the town of Menard. And maybe even the town of Mason over there. I'm not sure though. So, I'm not sure about that town.
Oh wow, they canceled the severe thunderstorm warning.
Yeah, I mean,
Still has 2 inches.
I expected that because they would cancel it if they put out a tornado warning instead.
Yeah, true. Yeah, this still has 2-inch hail with it though, which is severe.
If you don't get the tornado part, you're gonna get the hail. So
2-inch.
easily enough to damage outdoor furniture, your car window. So
Why is Mexico cooking?
Do they have rotation down there?
I don't think so.
I mean, we will
I
cover.
mean, those
even though it's not USA, we will cover just over the border since we have radar.
which is very far away, so
Still, if you're
up a
if you're from Ciudad Acuña all the way down to Piedras Negras, please get inside and away from windows. As there is possible strong to very severe hail with these storms.
How do you pronounce that so well? Oh my gosh, I'm jealous.
You mean Ciudad Acuña and Piedras Negras?
Yes,
Because I speak Spanish.
that's probably why.
I still cannot pronounce some Mexican town names, but I can. If I know the pronunciation, I can
Oh
easily.
yeah, that rotation that's currently tornado warning is trying to ramp back up again, trying to pick up. Got
Not
got yellow greens.
Oh yeah, that's definitely some stronger rotation.
That could drop momentarily. If it hasn't already. I think it's in the middle.
Wait,
Let me search up.
Do we have any homes in this area?
That's what I was just about to check.
All you have to do is
NWS
turn off if all you have to do is turn off radar and look for country homes. We have
Or I could just search up NWS and see the population.
No, it's just easier
The
to find
population count is 113.
It just shows you where the population is. It doesn't show you where the houses are. There are a few houses like in the direct path. So
Let's see. Let me turn off power outages because that's also getting in my way.
yeah, you tell me how many houses you see. I just saw a few, but there's not many, definitely, which is good. But there are still a few.
Okay, no houses I don't see.
There is one. I saw one in the past, but that's it though.
I don't see any.
And you're black.
I know. Yeah, my radar doesn't do it. My computer's the only one that does it. I don't know why mine doesn't do it.
Yeah, so if you're if you're tuning in from Mexico, if you're in Ciudad Acuña or Piedras Negras or anywhere in between, please get inside and away from windows or ventanas.
Eden now has a severe thunderstorm warning.
Even where?
Eden, Texas.
Oh. I don't see it. Oh wait, no I do.
My radar's faster, you gotta think about that.
Yeah. So if you're in the towns of Jimenez, La Maria, Palmira,
Oh my gosh, I
El
quit.
Origenio, if you're in any of those towns, get underground or get inside and away from the window. If you have a basement, that would be preferable. Underneath your house, underneath, and away from windows or ventanas. They look up how you say get away from windows. Get.
That could be a CC drop.
Emergencia Alvarado de las puertas y las ventanas. En México.
You just hurt my brain so bad. Oh my god. We couldn't have a CC drop that tornado warning storm, but it's like misplaced.
Cállate. Emergencia Alvarado de las puertas y ventanas de Ciudad Acuña y Piedras Negras. Por favor, gracias. All right, back to English. Okay.
What did you say?
I just pretty much said if you're anywhere in between Ciudad Acuña and Piedras Negras, get underground and away from windows.
I thought you were talking smack about me.
No, I could though, but I'm not.
Yeah, we also could have a CC drop on that tornado warning storm, but it's a little bit misplaced, so it's hard to tell.
Mr. Stopman is un pendejo.
Okay. I mean, I don't understand what you said, but I'm offended.
Entrar en tu sótano en el México de Ciudad Acuña y Piedras Negras, which I just pretty much just said get underground if you are anywhere in between Ciudad Acuña and Piedras Negras. We will be doing a semi-bilingual thing since Mexico's there. We can easily cover them. We do have some good rotation. Okay, so we do have some rotation here in Mexico. Nosotros tenemos buena rotación. So in Ciudad Acuña y Piedras Negras y Jimenez.
Oh yeah, we possibly have a tornado on the ground. The CC drop's still there, but it's a little bit misplaced still. But there's a velocity couplet.
Make sure it's not clear air. No, it's not. That thing is impressive.
That could produce another strong one. Let's see what the NWS says.
Posible un tornado fuerte in Texas.
Speak English.
No, just in case there's somebody tuning in from Mexico, because we are international, I will just say it in Spanish if I know it. But we will only have an English chat. I mean, you could type Spanish and I just won't right away respond, but you might get timed out. Just as an FYI. But you can speak Spanish. If you want, I'll try to get to you. Yeah, so very possibly gonna be another strong tornado here, headed towards Menard. Just un tornado fuerte. Menard, Texas. There you go, Texas. Yeah, so we do have these storms that are trying to actually do something here in Mexico, trying to maybe have some rotation. They don't look too concerning, but still, if you're anywhere in between Piedras Negras or Ciudad Acuña, get inside and away from windows.
I can't take you seriously when you're speaking in Spanish. I just can't.
Grown up thing. Or it's not like that. I can speak 2 languages.
One, you're hurting my brain.
So jealous.
Okay, I'm not.
Chaleoso.
I quit. Are these storms trying to do U-turns? Oh my gosh.
Don't you love U-turning storms?
What is wrong with these storms and U-turning today?
Actually, this whole week.
I'm gonna flip out.
No, thank you.
I'm gonna mute and flip out.
No, you're not gonna mute because you don't have
Watch it does a U-turn and kills itself completely. PDS a particularly dangerous situation.
Yep.
Radar indicated rotation. Please be going to your shelter.
Well, for like the 5 people who are out here, but still.
For like the 116 people population.
Jeremy. Fine. There's officially only 113.
I was close.
Nah, you're not that close.
Nope, it's 84. They just posted on Twitter. 84 population now.
Not just posted on Twitter. Oh yeah, they did. Damaging tornado. 84 people, 0 schools, 0 hospitals, which is perfect.
Don't need any schools, Flan, because then they're just gonna be like, yippee, no school.
And yeah. We do have a few severe thunderstorms up here near Wichita Falls. Those are not looking tornadic. They're just hailers and wind makers. So heads up there near Jacksboro, near Arietta, Texas. So
This isn't Spanish, so don't try to pronounce that in Spanish.
no, but that's how you'd say it. This is a Spanish name. It's in Texas.
I don't believe you.
Yeah, it is.
Proof?
In Spanish, H's are silent, so it's Arietta.
I do want to watch this storm. It's getting a hook to it.
Oh, look at those storms in Mexico. They're definitely trying to get some close to them. Soon.
Avocado from Mexico.
No, we're not being racist.
Sorry.
Okay, tu boca. Gracias.
I had to.
Cállate
Can't
tu
help
boca.
myself.
Cállate tu boca.
Is he saying I'm sorry in Spanish, chat? Let me know.
No. No es siento.
Yeah, we can have another strong tornado on the ground. The latest radar scan just shows, wow.
There's just like, yeah, today definitely needed to be 10% hatched. Definitely.
SPC's been off this year completely.
They've been too conservative. They've been way too conservative.
There's no storm spotters on the storm either, so we can't confirm if there is or not.
I see spotters.
I see spotters are Eden, or Menard.
No, there's a whole bunch on that road in between Meaden and then Menard. Just like Freddie McKinney, the hero.
A hero? Oh yeah, I see, yeah.
Wow, you already
Freddie
forgot
McKinney.
about that. Wow.
Wait, what did he do?
You're an idiot.
No, I never heard what he did.
He saved a family from a flattened house in Texas yesterday.
Oh, W, Freddie. W, Freddie.
Yeah.
I didn't know. Yeah, this storm's getting its monster hook again. Like how we've been seeing with the other tornado. Is it doing a U-turn? It isn't. Yeah, it's still going southeast. It wanted to do a U-turn, but it just decided, nope, I'm going southeast.
Yeah.
Apedius is a particularly dangerous situation. Your life is in imminent danger. Latest scan, my bad, shows the rotation couplet weakening a bit.
Yeah, that's good.
It might wrap back up though. Well, someone just messaged me. Looked like it lifted.
And we still have a possible stronger tornado. What did this person say?
I mean, this sword cannot easily wrap back up. Like, it can touch those yellows and then gets a strong couple of
It
back.
could still be still could be on the ground even though they're not touching. We've seen that several times this year.
Someone's telling me it lifted, and I don't believe it.
I don't think it lifted. I think it's still either on the ground or just extremely rain wrapped where we can't see a thing.
I mean, the CC. Is that CC drop? No, I don't know. I don't know anymore. My brain hurts because you keep speaking in Spanish.
Wah, wah.
Did you just tell me womp womp?
No, I didn't just say that.
Boy, no, I mean you're gonna have some beef after this.
We already did though.
Oh, dang, my bad.
Yeah, you're done. Okay.
I mean, we definitely do have broad area of rotation.
It could still be on the ground though. Hence, we've seen several storms that year do that.
And the RFD looks like it's dying out a little bit, but however, it can
Significant
easily
hooks on those
still wrap
storms in
back up.
Mexico. Those storms in Mexico are trying to do a tornado as well.
Mexico, I don't know how to speak Spanish, but be on the watch.
If we do have some small rotation. Nosotros
Mexico. That's all I
tenemos
know.
buenas. Cállate tu boca. Nosotros tenemos buena rotación.
What?
I just said we have good rotation on some of these storms.
Perf?
Like just said it, but you don't know Spanish.
I
Entrar en
don't
tu
know your
sotana,
Spanish.
sótano en la ciudad
He said I'm an idiot.
de Ciudad Cuña y Piedras Negras y Jimenas y Anaranjo, Aladente.
Did you just say the A word?
No,
I swear I heard the A word.
I said Alajento, which
Mm-hmm,
is a town.
mm-hmm, mm-hmm.
It's a town. So, Timor Cocción. Boy. So, we do have a good possible tornado going on in Mexico. We have a possible tornado on the ground here in Texas on this massive storm. It's bringing Eden lots of hail and wind and lots of rain.
Hold on, I'll be right back. I'll rejoin the call. I gotta do something for my friend real quick.
What you gotta do? Nope, you're not doing anything.
You can't make me.
I can. I'm staying here.
It'll only take a minute.
Cállate tu boca. Gracias.
What does that mean?
That means shut your mouth.
Okay, I'm gonna be right back just because you said that.
No. No.
I'll call you back.
I don't trust you.
Why don't you trust me? I literally will be right back.
Alright, you have 1 minute.
Give me 1 to 2 minutes. That's all I need.
You have 1 minute exactly.
1 to 2 minutes.
Nope, 1 minute 30. Actually, I'll give you 1 minute. 1 minute 30 seconds.
All right, bet.
Hold on, let me just reset my stopwatch. 3, 2, 1, go. Alright. Sorry, guys. The buffoon is gonna be back soon. But please be in your shelters if you're anywhere in this area of Mexico. If you're anywhere in this area of Texas, like Menard, the storm is headed right for you guys. Yeah, so he has a minute left. But also, if you guys have any questions about your locations or locaciones, please ask.
Back.
If you have any questions, please ask. About your locations or locaciones. You were gone for 1 minute, 6 seconds.
Not bad.
Still not good.
You know what? Screw you. I don't need you anymore.
Ese tuvo gracias.
Yeah, the rotation's weakening.
Yeah, but we're gonna stay live from
The
those like
RFD
10 to
surge is also weakening.
And if any of these storms do not go tornado warned nor alerte de tornado or severe thunderstorm warned, we will end the stream here in the next 5 minutes.
Alright, bye guys.
See ya.